Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are officially on day 4 of our 12 days of Christmas gifts for him. I am loving this. I've been having so much fun and I'm so happy that you guys are taking this journey with me. I've received so much feedback from the videos that I've already made, from you all and from the brands themselves who are loving this content. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who continues to watch my videos, and new people. Speaking of new people, if this is your first time checking out this channel, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you guys are giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell. You do not want to miss the other days of my series. Plus, starting January, we are going hot and heavy weekly with new content. Don't forget guys, our goal is 100K followers, 100K subscribers by December 30th, 2025. So we are in. Now today's video is about shoes. You all know I love my shoes. I'm going to be showing you all kind of two different spectrums. One is going to be Taft boots. Now Taft boots is a very Spanish high-end brand. Their shoes are hand woven. They're amazing. Then there's also some dope shoes from Amazon. I want to show you guys how you can be fashionable, functional, and affordable. So sometimes it's all right to get the shoes that might be $300 for someone. Sometimes it's a good idea to get some that's less than 50 bucks. But they're both great shoes and they're both great ideas for someone who might just need a pair of dope shoes to style their outfits out. So let's take a look at the shoes and go from there. I want to know what you all think. Also, it is not a coincidence that I am rocking the Scooby-Doo Christmas sweater and have a Scooby-Doo mug. Let's get to it. These right here are probably some of my favorite shoes. These are not going to be for every guy, but if you know that your guy loves style and loves to have something unique, what do we talk about? Statement pieces. These are the most statement piece type shoes that you can get. These are from Taft clothing. These are the Jack and Eden. Now, I have not found myself getting any more, but believe you me, I love this look so much. The Jack and Eden comes in different colors. The fact that they are jacquard woven, this is Italian leather with actual leather insoles. Guys, when you are trying to buy a good pair of high-end shoes and you want to make sure that you are getting some quality, these are the type of shoes where you know you're getting your money's worth. And I'm not just saying that because of the way they look. Like, don't get me wrong. Check out this design. The design itself is so dope. I really like the floral pattern, I like the unique of it. This is very much so for someone who kind of want that hipster look. I always put this with jeans, suspenders, dope shirt, and a hat. I think that's just the best look when it comes to these. These are definitely a class up your look type boots. Quality is such a big part of why these boots are almost $300. When it comes to not just being the fact that they're Italian leather, that they have leather insoles, there's also the fact that they are hand stitched. These shoes have so much love and so much time and effort put into them. So we're not just talking about a shoe that looks good, we're talking about a shoe that literally is made to be high-end. And that's what I am obsessed with. When I have something that is just screaming luxury, it's screaming like money, you know? And I really like this. I think for every shoe that you might be buying on the other end, you should always have a good set of boots, whether they're Chelsea boots, whether they're high brand boots, but you should always have a good boot. Because listen, there are going to be times where he's going to want to dress up for a date, that he's going to want to dress up to go out. And you know what my pops always said, you have to be willing to be different, be unique. And these shoes are it. This is for someone who maybe, if you're sitting up here and you're seeing that he maybe want to dress down a little bit, he's not trying to make his outfit be the statement piece, that's when you make your shoes the statement piece. I mean, these are seriously so unique. Even their sneakers of this pattern look good. It's so crazy to think that they put so much time, effort, and resources to this. I mean, hands-on resources. These are handmade by Spanish artisans. That is crazy to me. I am obsessed with these shoes. Now, I have not spent $300 on some boots before, but if I was going to, I love the idea of spending it on shoes that 100% inside and out explain why they're worth it. And these are worth it, from the rubber and leather soles all the way to the jacquard stitching to the handmade quality of them. These Jack and Edens are so amazing, guys. I had to speak on them. They are so comfortable on my feet. I love that they have a tight neck so that I'm able to do the cuff jeans above it, and my ankles don't have all that space in there. It's just a quality fit, and that's why I love these shoes. But I want to know what you all think. Do you think the guys in your life will like these shoes? What do you like about them? Are you a fan of all of the hand craftsmanship? Let me know in the comments what you think of these. So I just showed you all the high-end, high fashion shoe that I am obsessed with. But I also want to show you all these. These are Amazon's Run Max athletic shoes. These are probably the simplest shoes I've ever seen, but so stylish, so dope that I found myself loving these shoes and immediately wore them to my recent festival because I like these a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you, there's a good chance I might have these in multiple colors within the next couple months because they are a great flexible shoe, and the design on them is actually pretty dope, guys. I mean, they are very simple, laced up shoes. I really like the sides of them that says, "Just be nice, games are resetted to be for the future," and it says fashion on the side. I like the design of these shoes. I like that it's a soft top with still have that toe protection. I really like the zippers in the back. I'm a big fan of not always unlacing my shoes, so it's a really cool way to slip in and out of these. You have that extra ankle protection on the inside of it, really good cushion on the inside of them as well. That these are great quality shoes. The breathability in them and the flexibility in them because of the material was a game changer for me. It's not always about how much money you spend. It's about how they make you look. How can you style them? And I am obsessed with high tops of any form. You'll catch me in all types of high tops, but I love when I can find something that looks expensive, but did not break my pockets at all. This is kind of like the graffiti style of sneakers. And I think that's just more, if you see how it has all the texture on there, all the writing on there. I don't think I would have enjoyed these shoes as much had they been all white. I think that the words and the style of the wording on there really added to the character of these shoes, turning them from shoes that look like they could be about $50 to actually being like, those are some dope shoes. You know what I mean? Does that make sense? That these small details really turn these shoes from being a cheap presenting shoe to a reasonably priced shoe that looks like it could be a lot more. Did I also mention these bad boys are machine washable? I've already put them through the washer and they came back out perfectly. Like I said, I wore these to a festival. They were messed up, but washing machine, back to brand new. Love that. That is something, especially for someone who I love shoes, but I'm hard on my shoes. So that's also something that I really like about them. How do you feel about these? We have $300 shoes, we have $50 shoes. What do we think of these shoes? What do we think of the quality of them? I am obsessed with them both, and I want to know if you think that your guy would like either or both of these. Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, guys, make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribing to the channel and you're hitting that bell. You don't want to miss the rest of my videos for the 12 Days of Christmas Gifts for Him series. And you don't want to miss the next year of content that I have coming out weekly starting January. It's about to be a game changer and we're about to do it together. We're hitting our goal next year. 100K subscribers, 100K followers by December of next year. I can't do it without you all. So, as always, guys, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. See you all tomorrow. Happy holidays.